Hello dear students, welcome to our channel. Today we will give the lecture on the lesson first, the one they had, its questions and their answers. The first question can be, what is the difference between the school of present and the school of future which are showed in the story? So, this is the answer. Today's schools are a building where all the students of same age go to study, and the school in the future are not a building but a room in the house. That is a virtual school, and that is a computer screen. There is a mechanical teacher that teaches the students. In our schools, we are taught by the books which are printed on the papers, and in the future there will be e-books only which are in the CPU of a computer. Next question can be, who was Margi and what was her problem? Margi was student of 11 years. Her problem was that she had to study alone. Next question can be, why was she was not happy about school? She did not like the school. The question can be like this: why was she not happy about the school? Why she did not like the school? Why did she not like the school? Both the question can be in the same answer. Answer is, she did not like the school because in her school there were no classmates and human being was not teaching them. Only a mechanical teacher teach them, and it was quite boring for her. Same routine daily. It made her bored, so she did not like the school. What went wrong with the school once? Once the Margi's mechanical teacher was ruined a bit. The mechanical teacher's geography sector was playing very rapidly. It was going on very rapidly, and she was not able to study well. She was 11 years old, and it was giving the syllabus of the students of 13 years. So she was not doing well in the test. Her marks were decreasing day by day. How was the homework and other procedure in the mechanical teacher? How did mechanical teacher work? Mechanical teacher was a robotic teacher that appeared on the screen of the computer, and it gave lecture on all the topics, and it gave even the tests also. And tests, after the test, it evaluated them and give the result of the test also. And there was a slot in the computer screen in which they had to put their homework. And Margi did not like this slot. That was the procedure, and they had to put the homework in the punch code of computer language. What did Margi's mother like for the students to do? Or what did Margi's mother think that students should have? Margi's mother thought that students should have the regular classes. It made them better. It made them learn better in the study. When Margi's teacher was spoiled, what did Margi's mother do? When Margi's teacher was spoiled, Margi's mother called the county inspector to cure it. Who was county inspector? Was it an officer or somebody else? County inspector was not an officer, it was an intelligent person of the IT sector. He had a knowledge of hardware and software. He can cure the computer very well. So IT inspector were appointed to take care of the schools in the home. So they were called the county inspector. What did the county inspector do? County inspector slowed it down to the average of the 11 years old children. County inspector slowed down the geography sector, the 11 years old students. Now it was working properly. What was Margie expecting about its mechanical teacher when it spoiled? Margie was expecting that the county inspector would take away the mechanical teacher for 1 month or more to repair it or improve it. She would have holidays of 1 month. Because once Tommy's school was spoiled and it was taken for a month, she hoped so for her school, but it did not happen. She was not happy about the situation. What did Margie see one day? One day Margie saw a real book, the book on the printed pages. What was Tommy doing in the attic when Margie went to his home? Tommy was reading a real book, old book, when Margie went to his home. How was the book of the past? The book was yellow and crinky. Its pages were wrinkled. And what was surprising about the old type of book for Margie? It was surprising for Margie that the books appeared the same whenever it looked again. The pages are turned and one turned again to same page, the words were same. They were not moving as in the telebooks or e-books. So it was surprising for her. What did Tommy tell him about the old type of schools and who told him that? Tommy told him about the old school that the old school were not a computer screen but a building where all the students of the same age go for one class and a teacher taught them. That was a human being. And it was told to him by his grandfather. And his grandfather's grandfather told him all these things. That was the time of books, era of books. Why did Margie said that? The students of the past were very happy. I hope we have the fun they had. Margie said so because the students went together to school, laughed together, come together and studied together, and they are taught by the human being. And they live together, so they enjoy together. So she said that, I hope we had the fun. We could have the fun they had. The fun they had. The name of the lesson is. And other question can be, why was she surprised when he said that the human being teach? Why was she surprised when Tommy said human being teach the students? She said that we would not afford a stranger at home because human being can come to our home and it is not good for privacy of our house. So these are the questions can be about this lesson. Okay, study it. Goodbye for today. like it, share it, and subscribe it.